Hello my friends, so nice to meet you again. And let's do some warming up. Today I want to show you the form, the 套路. And I will show some techniques for self-defense. So in Shaolin Great Fighting Fish, we repeat many times the movement like this, or like this. Like this or like this. So I will show you how can use these techniques. So these are the curls on which they rolled the materials for printing. So because this is a printing and framing store, when the material is exhausted, used up, so the curls, I get the curls. Usually I put in the garbage. And now I tried to make a technique, make an equipment like this to help me to show you the techniques. Okay, so this is the box. Also for the material, printing material, for vinyls, papers. Okay, so firstly I will show you the block punch. And suppose this guy, he punched me here. So I will block him at the same time. I punch him. So or I punch him, but he will punch me here. He blocked me from here, and then he punched me from here. So I will punch him like this way. So you can see, this is used like this. So he punched me, or like this way. So all are useful. Hold on, no problem. Oh. And I also sometimes I do this way. This is also interesting. So this usually I hold like this. Okay, so practice carefully, practice often in any space, very small space, just this movement. Together, you should together. Not necessarily very beautiful, but useful. The arm can straight or can a little bit burn, like bend, straight bend, like box. But this should block and punch. Okay, let's do block punch. Block punch. Block punch. Block punch. Okay. So. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.